our daily lives or at home? Yes, because we can use trees to build our house. How about in the second group?
From the forest, we get trees, animals, food, and fresh air.
Very good. So, did they write? Lahat ba ng sinulat nyo ay tama?
Yes, po.
Very good. So, it seems like you all understand our lesson today. So, I'm gonna give it to Ma'am Angelique.
Good afternoon, class. Before we proceed to our paired activity, I have some questions to you. Did you listen to Ma'am Jaya a while ago?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So what is the importance of forest for you guys? Anyone? Yes, Arnel?
Forest gives the fresh air flow.
Okay, very good. So let us proceed to our paired activity. Bring out one half sheet of paper and answer the following. You will just going to choose the letter of the correct answer. Are you done, class? Yes. Okay. Who wants to answer number 1? Okay. Ibrahim.
Two people gather many products from forest. A po.
Yes. Okay, very good. Who wants to answer number 2? Anyone? Yes, or no?
What does mountainside mean?
People.
The side of mountain po.
Yes, very good. Who wants to answer number 3?
Ma'am. Do forests trees hold rainwater in their branches? Letter A, ma'am. Yes, they do.
Okay, very good. All of you understand our lesson for today, so I want to call Ma'am Rosel to continue our lesson for today.
So, based on what we tackled, how can forest helps people lives? Anyone? No?
Nakakapagbigay ko ng kagamitan sa paggawa ng bahay. Sariwang ano.
Very good. Brain?
Nakakakuha po tayo dito ng mga pagkain.
Tama. Meron pa bang kung sumagot? At paano naman natin mapapangalagaan ang ating Mother Earth? Jeline?
Reduce, reuse, and recycle.
By simply planting trees and conserving them.
Very good. Para makalanghap tayo ng sariwang hangin. Kaya dapat pangalagaan natin ang ating nature.
My dear students, we will be just having a quick review if you already understand our lesson for today. Are you ready, class?
Yes, sir.
What are we discussing today, class? Anyone? Okay, Arnett. About the forest. Very good. And what are the things that we found in the forest? Okay, Andrea.
Trees.
That's right. Anyone? Okay, Angelica.
Rubber.
Very good. And what are we going to do in order to protect our forest?
Plant trees.
Okay.
We must not plant trees there.
That's right. I'm happy to know that you all understand our lesson for today. So for your last activity, Ma'am May read segment 2.
Class, now I want
and beans are very helpful to people's lives.
Is it true or false?
True. True.
Number 2. Yes, Lisa.
Forests are also home of wild animals.
True. True. So number 5. The plants and trees can prevent floods. True po. True. So for your assignment, I want you to cut out on the book and paste it into your notebook for today's for tomorrow. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Bye.